Yo, what is going on, viewers of the tube? Tyler here, Chico Crypto, coming to you guys live. Was planning on actually posting a video yesterday, but I ended up going snowboarding, Mount Shasta, hit the slopes, so no video yesterday. I was going to post the content that I had already produced today, but I decided to post it tomorrow because it is a Christmas giveaway. Monday, people watching football, it just seemed to make sense. So, hey, what's up, Ace Runner? What's up, Ammo? Dawn. Late night. How's it going, everybody? Hey. Welcome to the stream, you guys. Greetings, Max. Bright night. Love you too, man. Giveaway scammer here, laugh out loud. Oh, Irish girl. Yeah, she's part of Tommy Mustache's crew. It's funny, they all give away and they all know each other, and even the recipients know them. What are the odds? Hey, what's up, everybody? No beer. I have a water right here. Had a couple beers on the slopes yesterday. Smoked a good amount of weed, too. What's up, guys? Oh, Indonesia. Nice. Egg yolk. That's a true Chico Army member. They know the egg yolk. So, what I'm thinking about getting into, you guys, is regarding Bitcoin's price. You know, right now we're crossing 7,500. I mean, price is moving up. It might even be higher. 7,501. A lot of the exchanges, it has crossed the 7,500 mark. This tags exchange, which I'm going to get into a little bit. Number one, it's over. BitMEX, it isn't. Vindax, never heard of that. But then a majority of them below that. 7,500 resistance has been broken. In my description, I talked about that. So I predicted, before I got banned on YouTube, that we were going to be hitting the 6K levels again. And Bitcoin isn't going there right now. It is look bullish. We are breaking through multiple resistance levels. 7.2K, 7.3, 7.5. So it's looking bullish. But the thing I like to look at and I want to bring up to you guys is regarding this. So this isn't our last bull run we had. Oh, fuck. You bastard. Well, I can pull this up really quick. This was actually the 2014 bull run all the way up into 2015. And we had, kind of another mini bull run. I explained that, this 14K one we had during this last bull run was kind of an anomaly. But it did happen, with this one. It did take 2 years later to finally hit a little mini bull run where it jumped up, from 200 to 500, in a matter of less than a month. That is a bull run, going over 100%. That's great gains, But it did come back down. But if we expand it out a little bit, it kind of hit that level again. So, I mean, this one, this is our most recent one. We hit 20K, but we did reach farther up than the last one. The last one we hit 1,200 and only got to 500 in the 2 years after that mini bull run. This one we went from 20K to 14K, so a lot closer we got to our all-time high this time, and it didn't take as long. The last one took a year before the next little mini bull run, and this one took only 2 years, and this one only took a year and a half. So, but they are similar. I mean, you just look at the charts and it's super similar to me. I'm like, okay. But, regarding my 6K call, so that was the, title of this live stream was I wrong? No, I'm not going to say I know what the future is at all, but I still see this support zone being hit way more. I mean, 6K to 7K, like I've been saying, is accumulation zone. It is, where we hit the bottom at without this anomaly. There was 2 anomalies, actually, in the last bull run, you guys. We had the 3K dip right here. Anomaly. Should have never happened. I mean, in this bull run, again, should have never happened, in my opinion. And I've explained this before in one of my videos, so we'll just play that because I don't want to repeat myself. Oh, no sound? Shit. Sorry, guys. Well, what this basically says, there was two anomalies. I don't know what's going on. Something with sound, so I'm not going to mess around. But there was two anomalies. Basically, you know, below the hash wars right here, when we went to 3K, and then this 14K right here. If these never happened, I seriously think Bitcoin probably would have got down into 4Ks, maybe high, or 5Ks, high 4Ks, 4.9K, and then it would have slowly crept up to where we are basically right now. So, I mean, my prediction, you know, 6K is going to be hit again because we haven't stayed in that range like we should have, you guys. Fix the sound? Oh, well, sometimes things go wrong with the live stream, Alexander. So, yeah. But the range is important, you guys. It is going to happen, and it's not like just some number I pulled out of my butt. It is because of fundamentals based on the mining industry. US and non-relevant Chinese regions become unprofitable at this level. So I say we are going to hit, no, not below 6. I mean, we might, just because of some crazy bearish whale trying to mess with people, but we're not going to go below that for long. People will buy it up at that level. Yeah, I mean, well, we do know the anomaly for the 3K cause. It was the hash wars. We had, you know, Bitcoin getting assaulted from all angles. We had, you know, Bitcoin SV selling all their BTC, the hashing being switched. I mean, it was just a reorganization of the industry. That was crazy. So we do know that. I mean, right here, this anomaly, we don't know for sure what caused the 14K pump. It's possible we'll hit 8K before 6K, JB. Highly possible. The reason, you know, I mean, the markets, whales can do what they want, but I still think 6K is going to be hit again because we need to sit in that range. I mean, back in 2013, 2014, the first bubble, we sat in the 200 range for over a year and a half. We've barely sit in that 6,000 to 7,000 range. And I just compare that $200 range to the $6,000 to $7,000 range. Back then, 200 to 300 was that range. This time, it's 6,000 to 7,000. Oh, Jack Johnson, he says, Chico Crypto, don't lower yourself to the punks on Twitter. Well, YouTube is my YouTube, you know. This is my big audience. This is where I have my biggest audience. Twitter is my troll box. I wreck everyone on Twitter. That's what I do. So I'm going to do me and enjoy the show. So again, this is going back to the 6K level. So right here is actually volumes that were traded in levels. As you can see up here at the top, you know, a lot of volume wasn't traded around here compared with the $6,000 level. And this is including back before the dip with the hash war. We had mass amounts of volume being traded in this range. And it will happen again. And I mean, it's not only, you know, if you're all about this technical analysis, you know, stuff and not Tyler analysis and fundamentals, I mean, just on the logarithmic, you know, scales, it is 6K. It's going to touch there again. I mean, this guy did some, I don't even know what he did. But he has a range right here, 7,000 to basically 5,870. And that's the range I was talking about. You know, not doing any technical analysis, but just basing it on the fundamentals. So it's funny to see technicals and fundamentals match up with each other. iexec gonna bounce soon. Well, I mean, it's gonna take, some good news from iexec for definitely get a FOMO rally going. They had great news regarding Intel and their involvement with the off-chain trusted compute. But, they went from, I think, 150, 170 on CoinMarketCap, and they got all the way up into the 60s at their peak. I mean, that's massive movements, and a cooldown is needed. I mean, if nothing goes up forever, you guys, so. No, I don't play poker. I'm more of a blackjack guy. Oh, and this was actually funny. This was one of the top posts on our Bitcoin. And this was posted a year ago in December 2018 when we were at the 3K low. And basically, for Christmas, I want a dragon. Be realistic. A 7K Bitcoin. What color do you want your dragon? Because this was at the low, you guys. I mean, everyone thought we were going to keep going down. I mean, the bearish sentiment was brutal during this time. But what happened? After that tweet, 7,000 Bitcoin came within 6 months. Hey, hearts is my game. Oh, iexec is not Crapple. I mean, you just gotta look into their code, you guys. It's easy to see. I mean, you look at the off-chain trusted compute specs from the EA, what they wrote, and you look at the iexec white paper, and you're like, okay, yeah, I get it. If you can't read, like, actual documentation and white papers, I feel sorry for you. That should have been a skill you got in 2017. But this is something not too many people have noticed regarding Bitcoin dominance. Everyone was talking about it, once it hit its peak and it started going down right here. But now it's been slowly creeping up, going from its low of 65, 66, and now it's back up to almost 69. Yeah, 69. You heard me. But this is other altcoins, going down. Other categories started to surge, but now it's starting to go down. And that's common with Ethereum, XRP, and not common with Tether, which is weird. So what was I going to bring up? Something about Tether, I know that. I think yep. It's out of order. So this is Tether. It is the only altcoin that during this time has not been going down, but has been increasing its dominance. Going from, low in June of only less than 1%, and now we sit at 2.16% of total market cap. And you just look at some of the top exchanges. So I just want to pull this up really quick. By reported volume, it's just tags. They got like $3.3 billion in freaking volume, 24 hours. 7 day, they have 20 billion. I mean, they're doubling any other exchange. And the next exchange is called Hcoin. Never even heard of that before. BitMEX is next with 1.3 billion. But what is this tags? And I looked into it, and, Tether, it only has 2% of the total, market cap volume out of the 197 billion. Only 2% of that is Tether. Yet the exchanges, tags, BTC USDT makes up 60.38%. Ethereum USDT 14.24. So there's two pairs, Ethereum and Bitcoin USDT, 75% of tags volume. And this is out of Australia, you guys. This is a freaking money laundering business right here. I'll tell you that right now. Australia acts like they're all freaking good and we're regulated. Bull crap. This is money laundering. You can see it. But yeah, you just go to USDT. I mean, two of the pairs make up 75, and then the rest, Litecoin, that's 2, 3.5. It's over 78% USDT. But Tether only makes up 2% of the market cap? Yeah, something doesn't seem right. But, you know, Binance used to be top on this list. It used to be up in the billions, but they are getting eyes on them from regulators across the globe, rightfully so, and that has caused volume to shrink. They are now 32 on the list, $500 million in 24-hour volume. But you just look at Binance, you go to the same thing, and I mean, just BTC USD is 35%. I mean, it used to be 75%. They were the laundering exchange, but it looks like it moved to other shit exchanges like tags. But you just look at USDT. I mean, it is over 75% still. I mean, you have 34, 40, 45, 48. I mean, you just add all this up and it's 75% USDT. And this is, you know, one of the legit, amazing worldwide exchanges, and it's 75% Tether volume when Tether only controls 2% of the market cap. Something's not right, I'll tell you that. No, I didn't see the Swift tweet. What'd Swift tweet about? Oh, I probably got a lot of trolls coming after me. Wonder what it came from. I'll just search for the hashtag maybe. Oh God, cross-border payments. And now, what, Ripple people are... Oh, so yeah, it's, yeah, cross-border. Oh yeah, here's Green Eggs and Sam. Because Swift GPI is a direct competitor to XRP. Swift GPI is not using XRP, I'll tell you that right now. This is one of the biggest XRP shills, and he is scared. I will tell you that right now. And tomorrow's video is perfect for this, because I'm breaking down Swift GPI and how XRP is not involved with it. Ooh, it's going to be a good video. So this is perfect. Thank you for pointing out that tweet. So I'm going to get to questions, you guys. Sorry for going on my tangent. Is Kyber a good long-term hold? Ethereum DeFi providing liquidity. Yeah, I think it's a great hold. Yeah, XRP is screwed. I'll tell you that. Swift GPI might be Chainlink. I've looked into that, and Swift is working with Chainlink, so XRP is not working with Swift. They want to. They've tried, but they didn't get it. R3 was close, but... What do you think of Udo? I don't know. Dog poo? Nah, I don't know. I've never looked into it. Can INS and solar? I mean, it is a cool concept using crypto, you know, for a distributed electricity system. Can it work? I'd have to look into it more. I mean, yeah, it can work, and it is probably the future. I looked into Algorand, and Algorand was interesting that they got mentioned in the Lucid TEE from Visa, which was interesting. But it didn't say they were going to use it. It was just a possible blockchain, proof-of-stake blockchain that they could implement Lucid TEE on. What do I think of Cardano? It's not good. I mean, you have a bad leader, a very pompous asshole leader. No one likes to work with him. He lies about everything about the project. I mean, times when things are going to be released, you know, what's going to be involved with it. Smart contracts are going to be done, you know, fully functioning. No, I mean, bad project. I'll tell you that right now. His MMA, Charles Hoskinson's MMA fight with me was the last chance for fame for the guy. He's going to be known as a shithead. I guarantee it. Yeah, they have a lot to prove. And if I'm proved wrong, I will admit I'm wrong. But, I mean, just partnering with New Balance for sneakers, I mean, that's like what VeChain did. Validating sneakers is stupid. You shouldn't even need a blockchain for that. VeChain got hacked. I don't feel, I mean, it sucks for all the VeChain holders, but I tried to warn people that it was going to happen. They have a lot of shady people in their organization. Kareem is one of them, and I wouldn't doubt if it was Kareem that did that. Nash, it hasn't been what it was supposed to be. I mean, they had a lot of crypto supporters, you know, there was a lot of people supporting Nash, but the volume is not good. Sander V, what's up? I was actually might do a video on IOTA. I learned some stuff about IOTA that I didn't know regarding Gen, the Gen project, how, you know, IOTA's been basically 2 failed projects so far. And I didn't even know that. So I'm going to be researching that to make sure I have all my facts straight. I do think Reserve has potential. I think algorithmic stablecoins are the future. MakerDAO is going to lead the pack. They already, I mean, it's there. They have the first mover advantage. But RSR might fit a niche. And I mean, competition is good in this space. I like to diversify. What do you think of Cardano's new Ethereum Classic Wrap DeFi project? Oh, that's just, I mean, Charles Hoskinson kind of, I mean, I did a video on this. I mean, Charles left ADA basically when Ethereum Classic happened, the split. He basically said, I don't want to work with Cardano right now because I have a chance to take down Ethereum with Ethereum Classic. I mean, it just failed totally. I mean, Charles tried to turn Ethereum Classic into a money-hungry organization, and people did not like him within Ethereum Classic. So yeah, I mean, it's just his second attempt to try to take down Ethereum. It's gonna fail. AJ Green, I like that. What do you think about me eating your bunghole? I don't know what to think about that. I am looking into token sets, Kelly Williams. I appreciate the tip, too. I heard about it today, so I'm interested. So what was I going to get into next? It'll be interesting to see if Quant can pull that off. Yep, I did vote for Trump. Not gonna lie about that. But it wasn't because I liked him, because I wanted to throw a hand grenade into our political system. So, Lightning Network, even though it's been pretty much failed so far, to get it actually used and, you know, to get the liquidity within the network to a sustainable place, you need things like this. So, this is good to see, but Novo has come out with a, not proof of stake, point of sale system, and it's pretty fast, it looks like. So pretty pumped about that. Oh, Crypto Crackhead, man, I appreciate the tip. You gotta save that for crack. Crackheads. I mean, Elastos, I'm still holding it. I mean, Rong Chen is the reason I'm holding it. It's hard for me to say. Elastos Trinity is supposed to come out, and that's going to be the basically decider if I keep with the project or I, you know, decide to move into other investments. So I'm excited for Trinity because that's, you know, the deciding factor for me to stay with the project or not. And I appreciate the tip, CryptoLite. Why am I rude to Ivan? I just call people out on their shit. I mean, I don't care when people call me out on my shit, too. Like, go ahead. Oh, but regarding Ripple, so this is kind of shitty. In their subreddit, you can't even basically argue. If you try to, you know, bring points forward within their subreddit, you are automatically banned. And I'm actually banned from our cryptocurrency too. Back during the VeChain baloney, one of the mods, I'll name him if he's still one. Or how do you check mods? I remember it was down here. I don't know, but one of the mods was a VeChain holder, and when I came at him with VeChain, he banned me from our cryptocurrency. Urgh. Any news about Waves? We'll talk about Waves in a second. Waves does have an interoperability protocol connecting to Ethereum. That's huge for Waves. The reason I think Waves is going to do good is because of Vladimir Putin's public support of blockchain, which will come like Xi Jinping did. And that's going to pump Waves big time because they are the largest Russian blockchain project. They're out of Moscow. But this is great to see. So Crypto Sponge on Twitter broke this down, basically showing the DeFi growth from Chainlink, providing Oracle data to some of the DeFi applications and projects out there. And you just see the growth of it over time. That's just one chart. And this is the even better one. Beautiful to see. And I mean, people say Chainlink, vaporware, and this just proves, no, it's actually providing data to these right here. Link Pool, Flues, Chainlayer, Link Forest, Certus One, Wets, Validation Capital, Stakefish, New Road, Simply DC, S&Z Pool, Figments Network, KaiCow, Omniscience, Cosmos Station, ztake.org, Profit, Secure Data Links, Honeycomb, Infinity Stones, Hashquark, P2P.org, and AnyBlock. That is not fake. That is actual work being done. And token transfer rate is uptrending ever since mainnet launch too, which is good to see. Tokens changing hands. What was this? Oh yeah, this was funny. What do I think about Quant in general? I'm not the biggest fan of it. It just, the code, they won't release the code. They're saying they're trying to protect their, whatever. I mean, this is blockchain open source. I don't like that. I mean, are they ever gonna open source the whole code? Because how can you trust it if it's not? How are we going to trust that R3 connecting to Ethereum is actually doing swaps in a correct manner? You can't. So that's why. But this was funny. Trayvon James, like 2 weeks ago, was like, "Oh, I love Hex. I love freaking Hex. It's awesome." And now he's like, "I'm done." Yeah, poor Trayvon. Oh, so this is just a good reminder, of what, an altcoin purge looks like. So going back to the Bitcoin dominance chart that I showed, I don't even know where it is. I need to close these when I'm done with them. But, some projects that came to this person's mind. Selfkey, Request, Turn, Suremit, GVT, all of them are pretty much gone. Golem used to be top 20, now it's 110. Amisigo, top 20, now 49. Purecoin, Novacoin, Feathercoin, Namecoin, next. I mean, this is going to happen to a large majority of the altcoins, especially if they aren't providing value to a market. A lot of the DeFi projects are providing value because people can make money off of some of these DeFi tools that are out there, providing liquidity through Uniswap, taking out loans through MakerDAO. I mean, everything, skipping around the bank, basically. And And, you know, these are providing, you know, data Oracle requests, Chainlink, you know. These are actual functioning products, so you're going to see a lot of these goes, but I don't think things like Chainlink, I don't think things like 0x Protocol, I don't think things like Kyber Network, I don't think Enigma, I don't think iexec, they're going to go away. But coins out there like Tron, going to go away. I mean, it's not providing any value. It's just being a total scammy DApp platform. And that sucks. Because a lot of people are tricked by this. Now, I'm not a fan of unstoppable domains because it's not decentralized. They revoked some guy that got YouTubers' handles. They revoked it from him. I mean, if it's a decentralized platform, if you get the YouTuber's handle, the YouTuber's got to pay you to get that handle or get a different one. Well, unstoppable domains revoked them from the guy, which proves it is not decentralized. Pathetic is what it is. So, Steve Mnuchin. I hate him. But this is... Oh, shit, my sound isn't working. Never mind. I can't even show this. Or actually, I might be able to fix it. Let's see. Let's see if Chico knows what he's doing. Audio output. Oh, shoot. I'm getting tips. Hold on, guys. I'm just trying to fix this. It's got to be from the headphones. Focus right. There we go. Should work now. We'll see. Sorry for missing your guys' questions. Thank you for the tip, Lauren Macinus. I hope I said that right. I am a merchant. How will crypto compete with travel point customers want on Visa and MasterCard? Well, one you should look into is probably Travela, AVA. They are, you know, providing a cryptocurrency type reward system. And they just signed up with Booking. They partnered with Booking. So, I mean, eventually, you know, some of these smaller blockchain platforms like Travela who are building the system are going to get bought out by Booking.com. I guarantee it. And, you know, what they built is going to be integrated into those websites. And basically, you know, Booking just supporting Travela shows that they're looking to purchase them. Jesper Sonloff. I don't know what you said. Hej Marque Fiscardu. But maybe I can look it up. I don't know. I'm not even going to try. But I thank you for the tip. Hopefully you didn't say suck my balls. Oh yeah, let's see if this worked too. Oh, got the QR code in the video? Well, that was actually part of the Christmas giveaway. Someone already solved that. But there will be another Christmas giveaway tomorrow.
Enforce these very, very strong. Well, whether it's a physical money service provider or an electronic, they're going to have the same regulations.
We'd have a problem if we decided every time that cash itself or any other form of currency, every time it's used for some nefarious activities, if we weren't going to use it anymore. I'm not sure that maybe it's a little easier at this point in the technology for certain illicit activities, but that can't be the reason, you know, to say you're not going to use something. We wouldn't even use cash then, because cash is laundered all the time and used for nefarious That's all we've ever used for nefarious activities, and we certainly had plenty of them.
I don't think that's accurate at all. That cash is laundered all the time. We have the strongest AML system.
Did you see the reporter's look on his face? That just explains everything. Steve Mnuchin is an idiot. I don't think cash is laundered for... Oh my god, cash is laundered every freaking day. That's how every dime is laundered in this world. I mean, how do you even, with Bitcoin, yeah, you can transfer value, but the blockchain is public. And what do you do with that Bitcoin if you want to buy anything? You got to turn it into cash. Stupid. Stupid, stupid. Yeah, pissed me off. Oh, but this was good for Ethereum. Just showing that Ethereum is getting the bigger look. The UEFA Football Association has announced that they will be tokenizing 20,000 VIP tickets for the 2020 tournament. That is big. Probably as an NFT. I would guess. But that's good for Ethereum, getting the bigger looks. So some of you guys are asking, what's going on with me and Binance and Tommy Mustache. Well, Tommy Mustache decided to show the world that previously I was a beekeeper. Yes, I was a beekeeper. I'm ashamed that I saved the bees. But before this, I was a beekeeper. Yeah, he's so stupid, you guys. But this all, came down to me saying he's scamming for hamburgers because of the fake FUD fighting campaign between CZ, Justin Sun, and Tommy Mustache, which CZ and Justin both donated to him. Yet he never used that money to fight the FUD. Right here, CZ. I will donate this much money. I mean, but even before CZ and them said they're donating 100 BTC. Liars. So Tommy goes, thank you, Justin, for being a crypto warrior to fight fake FUD, blah, blah, blah. And this is where things get shitty. So he goes right here. Trust me, it will cost me much more than that. Justin is donating to me to make all these memes. My graphic artist will be making it for me while I come up with the ideas. He is a very poor guy from Romania, and he needs this work as well. So, CZ blocks me. So right here, this is just what he posted, that he is the meme maker. My kids are in high school, and they call me their kid. It might be because they see me spending all day making memes. Me, spending all day making memes. He lies, you guys. He does not pay a poor guy from Romania to make his memes. He does it at home himself. Yeah. And he has kids. 40-year-old man. But yeah, I got tips coming. Oh, Mary Fox Crypto. Thank you. She says save the bees. I agree. 100%. Mary Fox is another YouTuber too. If any of you guys want to sub to a babe on YouTube. Just search for Mary Fox Crypto and you'll find her. She just, 1.36? Gee, mini Christmas. She's blown up. Oh, thank you, Bio City Brett S2. I appreciate that. Great stuff. Looking to buy and store in a cold wallet, liquidate after the next pump. Would prefer not KYC, but okay if I have to. Suggestions on where to buy. Are you talking about like a hardware wallet? Because if you're going with a hardware wallet, I would recommend a Trezor over Ledger, and I think I have both links in the description to buy one. But yeah, Trezor is cold storage. It's, not on a computer or anything. It is on a separate hardware. And it is more secure because all the code is open source on Trezor, while some things with Ledger is not, which is scary. But, oh yeah, so getting back into this, so he's getting all his, scam boy friends, this truth raider, who pulls off fake giveaways just like Tommy does, and he says that, that I claimed to started Bitcoin in 2012. Now, I've always said I started in late 2013. Well, no, I heard about it in 2011, but I bought my first Bitcoin in 2013, which I'll prove to you guys. So this is one of my Coinbase accounts. My original one still has 2.6 Bitcoin in it. And yeah, so we can scroll all the way to the bottom. And let's just see when Tyler bought his first Bitcoin, huh? Oh, yeah, that's a lot of Bitcoin. Oh! What's that? 11/14/2013. Have no reason to lie. I've shown this before. I bought Bitcoin, and as you can see, I was involved with it from 2013 on. Highly involved. So shut the freak up, you guys. I'm gonna smack you. So yeah, that's my OG Coinbase. Try Bitcoin. I got some in October. And this was actually my second buy, because the first time I bought Bitcoin, I had to buy them off local Bitcoins. Oh, thank you, Dean Smith. I appreciate it, man. Respect from America, dude. So yeah, I mean, if this is proof, I bought Bitcoin in 2013. I've always said that, late 2013. Oh, but this is what ended up happening to Tommy. So, because he was basically saying, stop Chico, he's a bullier. Well, he got reported from people, it looks like, and he's blocked. Nice job, Tommy. Oh, yeah, I mean, Twitter is my troll box. I just wreck people. So... Waves. So again, regarding, even Mary Fox. Mary Fox is a Russian crypto YouTuber. So Waves is the Russian one. I am looking... Well, I've always liked Waves. I've really liked the team. They're very, very cool guys. Very transparent, too. And it has been pushing up lately. And I don't know if that's, because other people are realizing the... implications of Vladimir, supports blockchain publicly like Xi Jinping did, or if it's because of their interoperability protocol they released. But it started with interoperability, so probably most likely that. Crypto Crackhead. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Drops Mike. Oh, yeah. Oh, could I explain what is not open source on Ledger? Oh, God, I gotta look up the article that I read on that, Nad. I appreciate the tip. It was in a... Yeah, here we go. Yeah, the applications are all open source, but parts of the operating system will be open over time. So the architecture, the full operating system of Ledger is not fully open source. But Trezor, everything is, so. Waves was a bit scammy? I don't know when Waves was scammy. Waves is an old school project, too. They've been around for a while. Why is XRP pumping? I don't know. Let's see. Because the markets are? I mean, it's up 1.38%. Bitcoin's up 1. Ethereum is pumping. If you want to say a pump, because it's up almost 5. Oh God, we have some old Apollo shills still around. Yeah, as you can see, Apollo 4 months ago had a strong army. It's because they do bots. Just like the XRP army, they just pay bots once in a while. And then they die out. But another one that could, see some gains. And this isn't because of Cardano's whatever baloney. Most of the Ethereum Classic guys don't even like Charles. It's because of the switch to proof of stake. So it is going to be a contentious thing because it's proof of work versus proof of stake. Bitcoin's going to stay proof of work throughout its life. I can almost guarantee that. And, Ethereum switching to proof of stake is moving away from the time-tested protocol. Ethereum Classic is going to stay proof of work. So we could see some pumps coming because of the matter of that. But Ethereum Classic is garbage compared to Ethereum. I'll tell you that right now. But so nothing fundamentally just, what's happening fundamentally with Ethereum could cause this to pump. I'm not a big fan of Litecoin at all. Oh, I think that opticalart.com, man. Damon went. I totally agree. Oh my god. You guys, I'm so sore from snowboarding yesterday. I ate it on my tailbone. Like, caught my edge and ended like a board, just my body stiffened and I just smacked my tailbone on ice. Whew! It hurts. It's a good thing that I went with one of my friends that was not necessarily very, it was his first time snowboarding, so we weren't going to the terrain park or anything, and that was a good thing, because I tried to go off some, mini jumps like this, and I ate it. If I would have tried to go off the big jumps, I would have hurt myself. But it's been 2 years since I went snowboarding, so... How's your search going for the news site? Oh, great question, Pat, and I appreciate it. It's going pretty well. I definitely had a busy Christmas time, so, I am still in the process of finding a team. Still looking for the web developer. I have a bunch of people on Telegram that hit me up. But trying to run this channel and, find the employees I need is a job in itself, so... going to be working on that after this. Getting all Telegram messages. So if you send in an application, it's not because I'm ignoring you. It's because I'm busy as can be. So this is kind of interesting to see. You're going to see MakerDAO's DAI stablecoin go from single collateral RSI to RDAI, which is multi-collateral. And you're going to see this flip pretty soon because Compound is moving to it. But this is pretty interesting because liquidity within DeFi is one of the big things. Providing liquidity to the applications. And, of course you can have, whale liquidity holders, but I think one of the best ways to source liquidity is, from everyone, because everyone has the most money. And there are projects coming out with liquidity tools. This is one I'm keeping an eye on, KeeperDAO, and it's an on-chain liquidity underwriter for decentralized finance. And this is another one I'm looking at highly. These guys are connected with MakerDAO, Xerox Protocol, and who else was at there? These are just the exchanges it works on. This isn't their partners. Chainlink was at the meetup with Hummingbot. And this is a fully open software for open finance. This is turning your own self into a market maker. And it is a bot for market making. Fully open source too. It isn't a closed source bot tool. Those are sketchy. Be wary. But this is good stuff. So this is a great article I found. Because I've always wondered, I'm only part of a few of the tools. I'm doing some Compound. I'm not doing tokens. That's what people are talking about. Uniswap pools, I'm not a part of yet. But MakerDAO CDPs I've done as well. But this is, which, investment tool provided the most returns. And this, they did it from, I think, December 2018 to November 2019 for each of them. And out of the tools, they compared Uniswap, providing liquidity to Uniswap was actually more profitable over the time. A realized return was 18.15%, while Compound was only 7.11%. I mean, just investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum, you definitely got bigger returns too. But providing liquidity through Uniswap looks to be like one of the more profitable ways. And liquidity pool from Uniswap is exploding too. So I think I'm going to start providing liquidity here soon. Especially for some of the tokens I'm just holding. So I think that's about it I got for you guys. So, yep. No, I didn't say opticalart.com. We go much lower than 6K. What? No. I said high fives possible, but 6K is definitely. Putting words in my mouth. Come on. A link for this article? Yeah, I can provide you guys a link. Sorry, guys. This is a great one. There it is. One thing too, if you guys ever see me talking about something, just, you know, when I get to the title of it, you know, just pause the video and you want to find it and just type this into Google. It'll pop up. Chill some bat. I'm using the basic attention browser right now. I've made 3.4 bat since I started live streaming on this computer, and that's basically all I use this for, you guys. I use my laptop more for research because I can just chill wherever. So I don't use this computer that much. ADX versus BAT, I mean, basic attention token's gonna smack them upside the head. When is the fight? That'll be bigger, crypto's biggest catalyst. I mean, whenever Charles wants to, I'm down to fight him. I'm just not gonna work with a scammer like Crypto Crow. The guy is a known bad person in the industry, and I'm not going to work with that. Sorry. I would like to work with legitimate people, please. Oh yeah, I'm accumulating F at twice the rate of Bitcoin right now. Can I check my donations on Brave Browser? I don't know. Oops. We'll see. Brave Reward. But there, I'll show one of you guys. I showed this on my live stream yesterday. If you guys do have Brave and you want to get max rewards, you need to go to ad settings and set it to 5 ads per hour, because default is only 3. Yeah, I don't think I can. Because it's through like another party for the donation things. It goes into my Uphold account, not directly into my Brave wallet. XRP bashing? It's not an XRP bashing video. It's actually just doing some good research into their involvement with R3 and Swift GPI. Or their not involvement with Swift GPI. I mean, this was a XRP bashing. I think that video is still down, though. That's why I think it was some Ripple fucks that pulled off the attack. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. XRP Moon, maybe? I think it's down still, because it would have came up first video for that. Yeah, they reported that video. They didn't like it. Greetings. When will I sell my XRP? I don't own any, so I have none to sell. Yeah, so, oh man, my tailbone, you guys. Oh, sitting on this for an hour. Oh, yeah, that's no good. But yeah, if you guys are just tuning in, I basically talked about, you know, us going back down into 6K levels. Some of the reasons why I see it coming again is because it is a major support zone. We didn't hover in it too long. I mean, literally only a few months. And I kind of compare it to the $200 to $300 range in the last bull run. And it's not only, you know, indicators that I see based on Tyler analysis. It's volume indicators in that range, logarithmic indicators, as well as this guy's whatever descending Blanc he drawed. So, I still think so. I'm not changing my prediction just yet. I'm sticking with Angelo. And one thing, too, we got to look at regarding that call is... I like my Chico clown. Is Angelo hasn't tweeted again. I mean, if he did think some different things were coming, I think he would have tweeted again. And he says right here, patiently waiting for 6K BTC levels, not level. That's why I predicted again when Bitcoin was above 7 grand and it had only hit 6K once and everyone was shitting on me. It's not going to hit it again. And then it did. Because of that, he said levels. Oh, get myself an inflatable dome. I need to just get my live stream set up. Completely done. Get like a nice reclining chair. Get my DSLR. Because right now I'm just using a webcam. It's just I haven't had time. Is weed getting legal anytime soon? Well, it's legal here in California. Federally, probably not. Not for probably another 10 years, I'd guess. Oh yeah, no, he's not going to tell us. But I still think 6K is coming. We didn't hover in it at all. There is a rumor going around that I will be invited to the Satoshi Roundtable to kill me. That's why I'll get invited. If I get invited to the Satoshi Roundtable, I'm not going unless I have like 20 bodyguards. Brock Pierce is going to be there. He wants me dead. I guarantee that. Yeah, I'll go. I mean, I'll go if Charles is going too. I don't care. But Charles probably won't be invited because he's scam boy, kinda. And he's not very friends with any of the Ethereum crowd. Chico, I believe in the BTC flow ration? I don't know. I'd never heard of it. I don't look into technical analysis, you guys. I don't want to spend my time on that. I mean, just from my Tyler analysis, I mean, most of the technical tools are pointing to where I am saying it's going back to. So, I mean, I'd rather look at the fundamentals than just looking at a chart. My brain couldn't handle that. I like to research. Brock would just want to fuck you. What? If we hit 5K subscribers, why would I shave my head? No, I'm cutting my hair when Bitcoin hits 20K again. But it sounds like you're trying to promote your own channel, Optical Art. Just this. There's another place to do that. No, I'm not hating if you want to come in the live stream. Let's see what I got in my Twitter. See if I got any new attacks. Yeah, nothing really. Ooh, I'm the bully of the bully. Oh, now Tommy he's actually giving away money. So I'm glad I did this. Because of what I did, calling him out, he is now actually giving away money and announcing it. So this is good. Because, I mean, if you just go back in his previous posts, he never announces winners. But now he's announced 2 winners or a bunch of winners. So, yes, getting him to actually do what he's supposed to do. Yes. Plan worked. I will take the clownness and the Twitter bashing so people get paid. Oh yeah, I troll the shit out of them. They don't know that I'm playing 4D chess with them. The reason I did this was so he did that. So he started paying people. And look at, yes. I won. Oh, and I won against Charles Hoskinson. He blocked me. Finally. Took him long enough. Put up a better fight than CZ, though. I do like Stellar a little bit more than Ripple, but I'm not the biggest fan of Stellar. I only hold a tiny bit of it. Yeah, no, tomorrow I got an excellent video, you guys, and this just goes into the Swift GPI stuff. I mean, perfect segue. I'm so pumped that Swift came out with this today because, and I mean, it would have been nice if I posted my video today because they would have matched up perfectly, but, you know, now I have something. I mean, people are going to be talking about Swift, so it's good stuff. Can I live stream with Sam I Am? No. This guy, that's what he's been trying to do with his videos he made about me. He just wants promotion on my channel. I'm not, my Twitter is for the trolls. My troll box. YouTube? Nah, Tommy, whatever these guys are, you ain't getting on my channel. The RLC video should be up on how to set up a worker pool. Or set up a worker in the worker pool. But RLC mining? I don't know what you're talking about with that, Cryptolite. No, the reason Charles blocked me too, it's pretty funny. So Tommy Mustache Guy, let me see if I can find it. He was calling Charles an old man because he thought Charles was old, because he does. He looks a lot older than me. He looks like 50. And I don't know how old I look, but Charles is actually only 32 years old, and I'm 31. And so Tommy was calling him an old man. So I brought that up, and that's when Charles blocked me. Yeah, Charles Hoskinson is only 32 years old, you guys. And that just shows you what's going on in his head. I mean, after you've scammed that many people and done that shitty of life, it wears on you. Is RLC I mean, I'm not going to answer those questions, guys. I don't know. I think RLC is a great project with cloud computing. And I am invested myself. Is it profitable? I have no idea. Don't ask me those questions. I don't know. Yeah, no, Charles Hoskinson is only 32 years old. He's only 1 year older than me. He has old man strength. He's 1 year older than me, agency. No, he does not. I guarantee Charles has never had a punch thrown at him in his life or thrown a punch. I have had countless punch thrown at me, and I've thrown countless punches. Oh, no worries, Cryptolite. The Satoshi Roundtable invite? I mean, if they invite me, I'm going with a freaking bunch of bodyguards. And will I report on it? I mean, it depends on if they let me. I don't know. But they're not going to invite me. I know that. Alright, looks like we just got a bunch of shills starting to come in. Cute 'em, cute 'em. What up? Oh, you got kicked out of school, Jake J? Uh-oh. Alright, guys. Well, I have been on, it looks like for close to an hour now, or over an hour. And, I'm going to take a rest because I am freaking tired and sore from snowboarding. Woo! I'd love to have you as my bodyguard, Sander. So, you guys, I appreciate everyone who threw me a tip. Mary Fox Crypto, of course, if you haven't gave her a sub, she would love it. Where is my ending thing? Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, and if you want to join the chat on Telegram, t.me/Chico Crypto1. It be getting litty up in that chat. We be talking smack. We be having troll attacks. So if you want to get whacked with Chico Crypto, come join it. I call out Crypto Zombie all the time. I called him out in my live stream a few days ago. That guy sucks. But I appreciate all you guys for tuning in. And I will see you tomorrow. The Ripple video is being dropped tomorrow for sure. Hands down. So, tune in for that. Peace, guys.